Squishy sound. Okay, I'm gonna take this one.
It's so squishy.
Ooh.
Squish mine.
Here. Next, I'm going to take the butter.
I'm taking the.
Okay. Okay. And then I'm going to take the nice cube. Why is the ice cream super good? It's like fast rising. Yeah. Good. It's like fast rising.
I'm taking the big butter squishy.
And I'm taking this, my favorite one. It's like really like good. It's like a new one. Like a more softer.
I'm taking the snake.
I'm gonna take the open butter. This is a pack butter and this is open.
And I'm making the cake.
Here you go.
So I'll use first the down. Then I'll
Spires. It doesn't use. I really like the beer. Isn't it nice? Yasmin, isn't it nice? Like the bears. It's like our favorite one.
So we made the cake.
Yeah, that's really good. I didn't know the cake is so much butter. The cake has so much butter under.
Try this one.
Thanks for watching. Bye.